Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hey girl.
If you're new here, I'm Cheryl.
I'm Aaron.
We're Avery Street Design Studio.
Yup.
So on today's video, welcome back everybody.
Hi.
We are going to do a fairly simple project that is a very hot seller that anybody can do probably with any skill level.
Right.
So it is a Monstera leaf shelf. They're real popular. If that doesn't sound familiar, well, we'll show you a picture. I'm sure you
Right
guys
here.
have seen them before.
Yep.
But these are very popular right now. They're trending. I see them, you know, in a lot of videos with people doing up their houses and stuff. So they're going to be really good sellers.
Yeah, all the online stores, they're everywhere.
Yes.
All kinds of things made into this design. So.
And they sell for about $65. So it's a huge profit margin. We're going to be using leftover maple plywood for this build.
Yep.
But we figured up if you buy the plywood and you make a certain amount of them, you'll probably have less than $10, like anywhere between $8 and $10.
Not even that much.
Yeah, so it's going to be very affordable to make and high profit.
Yeah, this is about as easy a project as we can do.
Yep.
So something for everybody.
And there will be a template. There will be a link in the description for a template that you can print out for the shape of the leaf. Now it'll be 4 pages and you'll just have to cut out each piece and then tape them together to get the actual size.
That's right.
So let's get started.
Let's do it.
Comment of the week.
All right, guys. This week's comment of the week is from Sean White 9009. Has anyone ever told you that you look like Scott Ian or maybe his father? Look him up. He's a famous metal guitarist.
We know who he is.
First of all, what the hell, man? Scott Ian is 61. If you don't know who Scott Ian is, here's Scott Ian. He's a thrash metal guitar player from the 80s. He's been around forever. He's about this tall.
Yeah.
He's 61. I'm not 61, man.
He's 13 years younger
Right.
than Scotty, and so, but
I apologize if I look like I'm 80 years old. I'm not.
we just thought it was funny.
So go away.
If you guys would like to have the comment of the week, get your comments in, and it may be featured.
Do better.
Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, we have a mistake of a circle from the last build we did Sunday. We're going to make it a little smaller. We're going to cut a 12-inch circle, and then we're going to split it in half, and that's going to be the shelf part of our thing. Alright, we're gonna just cut this circle in half here at the miter saw. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, you could do it on a bandsaw, or you could use your jigsaw, whatever you want.
Okay, so we have a piece of plywood cut out, and I've made a template. I just drew this on and then cut it out. I'll try to copy it. It'll probably be in like 4 pieces of paper though that you can put together and use the same shape. Okay, so I'm just gonna start tracing it out. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you know, a leaf is something organic, so it's gonna have however shaped to it. Nothing's perfectly square in nature, I don't think. And if your curves aren't really rounded very well when you cut them out, you can take it to your sander and or sand it by hand and round them out better so they'll look good, nice and neat. we'll just cut it out.
Okay, we're gonna use our jigsaw to cut it out. You can see the super fine scroll blade I'm using. This is a Harbor Freight blade, which, you know, say what you want about Harbor Freight, they make a few good things.
It's that time.
Yay! Viewer submissions. There were a bunch of you guys this
Yes.
week. First was Rick and Betty Perkins.
Thank you, Rick and
Thank
Betty.
you. They did the whimsical birdhouse and the camper birdhouse.
They're so cool.
Fantastic work. Next was, I don't know how to approach this one, Joe with Boejoone Woodcrafts.
Thank you, Joe.
Yeah, that's what he told me. He did the mummy out of season for Halloween this year.
That's actually
Getting
about,
ready. Yeah.
about time to
It's
start
about
making
time.
that
You
stuff.
did a great job on
yes,
it, man.
Looks good.
Looks good. Next, and I'm going to screw this one up too, Mitchell Dilliha, I hope. Dilliha.
We don't know.
Right.
We're sorry if we say it wrong.
Sorry, Mitchell.
Thank you, Mitchell.
He did a couple of the camper birdhouses.
Yes.
They look really
they
good.
So good.
Next is Ron Pruett.
Thank you, Ron.
Yeah, he did several of our designs. He did the fence flowers, the little address planner thing,
Yes.
and the little 3-tiered planner.
They all look great.
Fantastic. Next is David MacNeil, who
Thank you, David.
Yeah, he went way back in the catalog and did some of the barn door clocks.
Yes.
Turned out very good.
They did.
Those are always a hot seller, so
Yes.
way to go, David. And last but not least is Tommy West,
Thank you, Tommy.
who did the water pump planner.
Yep, it looks great.
You guys all killed it this week. They
Y'all are
look
so
great.
talented.
We're getting a lot of new viewers, and I need to reiterate the rules for the viewer submissions.
Yes.
They have to be stuff that we have built to
On the
show
channel, yeah.
show on the channel. Not that we don't love seeing your stuff, we just don't have time to show everybody's stuff.
Now, if you would like to display your stuff and show it, feel free to join our Avery Street Design Studio community on Facebook.
There's a link in the description.
Yep, link in the description,
Yep.
and you can post all your designs
All day long.
there. Yes, and we love to see them.
Yeah, we'll work something out in the future, maybe for your own personal stuff on the channel. But for
Yep.
right now, I would just please stick to the stuff that we've built.
Yes.
We'd appreciate it.
If you- Go ahead.
No, you go.
Go ahead
If you want to participate, here's the address as usual.
and put in the subject line viewer submission.
You know what to do.
Yep.
Yep, we'd love to show your stuff.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, y'all. Okay, we've got our leaf cut out. We're gonna sand all these inside pieces with our spindle sander. It'll make it really easy. Then we'll give it another sand on the outside and attach the shelf. Okay, now we're going to glue the leaf part to the bottom shelf, or the shelf. We're going to put some 1.5" finish nails up through the bottom.
nice.
Yep, now we'll fill those holes and give it a little hand sand and put some finish on it.
All right, guys, we were talking when we first started staining this, and neither one of us had our mics on, so
There you go.
we decided to stain it provincial.
This is thrilling conversation. We don't want you to miss it.
Aaron's putting his head in front of the camera, and then my first instinct was golden oak, and then I was like, no, we need to do something different. So he suggested provincial, so that's the color we are using.
Yeah.
So yeah, all you missed was us putting on the first little bit of stain, because we are goofy and forgot to turn on our mics. So yay.
Yep.
Here we go.
Anyway.
You can stain them, paint them. We figured since it was beautiful maple plywood, no need to paint. We didn't want to paint over that. And I think this will look really pretty as a shelf with a plant sitting on it. I've seen them like that. It would be pretty hanging in a bathroom with a nice little, you could even do a fake plant, or some of those air plants would be good.
Yep.
You could even, if you did outdoor stain, you could hang it on your house or your fence and put a plant on it like that. So, or you could just use it for a shelf for knickknacks.
Yep. You could put edge banding around that front shelf if you wanted.
Yes.
We're not doing that.
No.
We get into edge banding another time because it does look nice on plywood.
It does.
Not today. All right, well there it is.
I've seen these a lot. They're very popular and was excited to do one.
Yep.
And I did manage to get the template. It's going to be 4 pieces of paper that you will cut out and tape together, and it'll be the exact size of the template. So
There you go.
All right, everybody, here's the finished
Here it
product.
is.
I think it's super cute.
Yep.
This would look great with a little plant.
Or a candle or
Yeah, or a knick-knack.
Stuff.
Even a fake greenery or some air plants. But I've noticed these are very, very popular. I've actually wanted some of these for my house to put plants on, but it was a quick, easy, cheap
Yep.
product to make, and with a good profit.
You don't have to make it out of maple plywood. You can make it out of real wood or pine plywood.
Yeah,
pallet
you can glue
any
wood
of it.
together and then cut it out. Yeah, there's all kinds of different ways you can make it. But
Any way you decide to go, it's going to be a cheap project. Awesome profit on them.
and you could even shrink down the template that is going to be in the description to make a smaller one if you want, a variety of sizes.
Yep.
You could sell them as a set of 2.
Yep.
But
We've
yeah.
even seen them made into little tables with hairpin legs on them.
Yes.
Just the leaf.
Just the leaf laying down.
Right. So, I mean, you could do lots of stuff with this. They're very popular right now. Yep.
Well, thank you guys so much for being here. We greatly appreciate it.
We do.
And if you're new and you haven't had a chance to subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us out so much. And if you guys like and share the video, that also helps out greatly.
Yep.
And, yep. Well,
Thanks, y'all.
Sorry, I keep interrupting.
Appreciate you
them.
watching.
Yes, we love you guys.
guys.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.